Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog episode, or vlog 14 this time. Paul and I are in the store today. Paul is currently working on parting out some used, or cataloging used and uploading those. And I'm going to be uploading this set down here. This is a Toy Story set. It parts out for $350 almost. And it's because of the minifigs inside of it, so that'll be pretty fun. So I'm going to go use the brick stock merge function of Brick Freedom. Again, too many bricks. And we're gonna have a tutorial coming out on Monday actually. So in just a few days, if you're watching this when it came out, we will have a tutorial coming out on Brickstock Merge. It's a really nice function of Brick Freedom if you're part of Brick Freedom. And one of the perks of it over a few other programs that do the same thing with syncing the inventories. Brick Freedom has a few more perks, so that's one of them. So I'm going to be doing that and putting this one set away. We only have one copy of it. And it actually adds over 100 lots, which is super nice. And then Paul's obviously adding some new lots as well with used. And that's probably going to be what we're going to do today. We'll see how many lots we add at the end of today. Hello everyone, welcome to the next day. What is today? Today is Friday. I'm in the store packing orders and stuff today, and unfortunately, for whatever reason, this computer does not want to print out labels with PayPal. And the problem is not that it doesn't print out the label, the printer's working totally fine, but for whatever reason, the problem is when you try to open the label after you've paid for it on PayPal, you click the little print label button, it opens a new tab, and it should show you the label. It's just not showing us the label. Only on this computer. I've updated Safari, I've restarted the computer, I've logged out and logged back into PayPal, done everything. So the only thing that's working is over here on this computer, working totally fine, so I keep emailing the label now to myself, and after it's emailed, I can then print it out over here where we have our printer connected to. So not sure what is going on there, but I packed orders now. I'm going to go through, add some more used lots, and actually I'm going to finish weighing this Lego. So this has all been cleaned. I'm going to weigh it though, and we're going to put it in this bin down here, which currently has exactly 20 pounds of Lego in it. But once it's all weighed, and or once I weigh all this and stuff, I think that's all we have for now that is clean. Then we can send that whole bin out to get to get sorted, then come back and catalog and stuff. We're actually pretty much out of stuff to catalog, so we need to get the sorters sorting more, or get better at sending them stuff out so they can actually return it, and then we can actually catalog it. So that's been kind of the downfall there. I'm not entirely sure, but it might be this week that I end up putting these drawers up. If not in this vlog, you will definitely see it in the next vlog, because it has to come pretty soon. We're running out of drawers and stuff. And something else I want to do, and I wasn't able to, but I was going to try to get a second one of the Ninjago City Garden set, but these are going to be parted out. This is the Diagon Alley sets. We got 2 of those, and then the City Gardens, and I still kind of want to get one more of these. It's just out of stock everywhere. Really should have got one when I could, but I didn't. So we'll probably start Diagon Alley very soon as well. Maybe in this vlog. I'm just still not sure how to go about it. It's not going to be a fun process, but that's what I'm doing today on Friday. Just pack the orders. Or I have one more to email a label and print it out and then put it in the box and stuff, and we're good. And then other than that, I'm going to add some used pieces, and that'll be today.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Monday, unless Evan started on Saturday, but let's hope not. So hopefully welcome to a new vlog. Today I am in the store and hopefully going to add a lot of parts. Evan will be coming in to pack later. We kind of decided to swap jobs today, and I'm going to be trying to I'm going to be in here for, I think, 6 or 8 hours. I have an appointment at some point, so I may have to step out then. But I'm going to see just how many parts I can manage to add in 6 hours, going as fast as I can. So I'll keep you updated throughout the day. I'm probably going to be doing just used, because that's way more efficient. But we really got to get our lot count up. It's been falling the last couple weeks because people have been buying so much. So stop buying. But we're just trying to get it back up as fast as we can so we can get more sales. So I'll catch up with you then.
Hello everyone, welcome to Thursday. First of all, I was trying to shoot a vlog yesterday on Wednesday. Unfortunately, the battery in the camera was dead, so I had to charge it, and then I just didn't end up shooting a vlog. But yesterday, I added some more used parts to the store. In addition to that, I obviously packed orders and stuff, but I also was trying to work on cleaning up. It's a disaster in here, and it gets a disaster in here, I feel like, every single week, like really, really bad. And so we're working on trying to keep it clean instead of constantly having to, spend an hour a day, not every day, but an hour a week, on one day trying to clean up and stuff. So currently the table is really messy. I actually went through and cleaned a lot of used yesterday. That's what I did as well. So we have a full bin down here. I'll show you of used Lego that needs to be sorted. So that's a big bin there that'll go out now. We're waiting to get some stuff back, which I'm thinking for the organization system, that's what these two bins are going to be for. So this one currently says clean used needs to be sorted, so that's just full of Lego. This one I think will fill up with like Ziploc bags after they've been sorted. So like, you know, once we get all of this kind of stuff back, we can put that in there, and then whenever we have time in here and we're in here, we'll just come pull out that bin, pull out a few bags, a few categories, and sort it, and then as stuff comes back, we continue putting it in there. Obviously, we're going to run out of room eventually, but for now, I think that'll work well for us. But today, like I said, I'm going to finish cleaning this up. I don't know if I said that actually. And then Kyle's going to be in today, and I'm sure he will probably finish parting out this classic set. Actually, there's two of these. I can put them in the one box. He started last week, and I think he'll probably end up finishing that today. And then I don't know what else, but my goal is to really clean this place up, keep it clean, or try to keep it clean. And then I talked about putting up drawers. It's not going to happen this week, or not happen in this vlog, but I'm going to do it this weekend. We're going to put drawers on this side of the wall. So lots more drawers. We have all of them. I just got to go pick them up from storage, and then those will go up. But they won't be in this video. They will be in next week's vlog. So here we are at the end of the week. I know this vlog was pretty boring, pretty short probably. But I want to show you guys our lot count. 5,878 lots at the end of the week here. Again, we're under the 6,000. We really need to get it up, but it's a lot when people keep buying and stuff. Not that that's a good excuse, but we've changed some stuff. We're now going to be coming in multiple times a week. So essentially, we were each scheduled for like a hard 2 days. You have to do 2 days, and then you can come in additional days. We've now changed that where we have to come in 3 days each, so there will be a lot of overlap and stuff, which will be good. Obviously, we need to get orders out, but the truth is we were scheduling ourselves for only a couple days a week, and then during that day we would be packing orders, and there wasn't time to put all the new parts and stuff, or used pieces, whatever it is, into the inventory. So that's now changed, and over the coming weeks we're hoping to get this lot count way up from 5,878. I do remember when we were at like 4,000 though, so it's still good, but we need to get much higher. Next week's going to be really good. I'm going to go and begin on those sets down there, the Diagon Alley sets, and I hope to put the drawers up on the back of this wall as well. So should be a pretty fun, pretty interesting vlog next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you all in the next vlog.